how to add and make and create class page on Google Sites. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to Google Sites. This is the home page. Click on template gallery right here and scroll down, and now all what you have to do is click on this class option like this, and it will take you directly to this page right here. Now add your class name, for example Jacob class, and now here you can change all those informations. You can change the picture by clicking on it 2 times and click here, click replace and upload. And here, as you can see, you can add your about section, and after you finish, click on publish. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later in the next video.